Voice is about to become the fastest way that your business works. And today, Deepgram and AWS make real-time voice ridiculously easy to deploy. 20 times faster, sub 200 milliseconds, and 90% accuracy at enterprise scale. Real-time voice is now available in SageMaker. And Deepgram STT and TTS are integrated into Amazon Connect through Lex. On SageMaker, Deepgram runs as real-time endpoints, streaming STT and TTS directly through the SageMaker API. No glue code, no Kinesis, no Lambda, just native streaming through a single SageMaker command. On Amazon Connect and Lex, you can now bring your own STT and TTS, dropping in Deepgram to replace transcribe in Lex. Let Lex drive the dialogue and natural understanding, while Deepgram handles speech, natural turn-taking, agent assist, and automation. Build and ship with confidence on AWS with Deepgram. Trusted as a GenAI partner, now on Connect and SageMaker.